Nature, innovation, and elegance are perfectly balanced in this sleek and contemporary builder's custom home. Completed in 2018 and designed with state-of-the-art features, first-class energy efficiency, and hurricane-level safety. This private estate was constructed with a commercial-grade foundation of 37 25-foot deep auger cast pilings, solid concrete walls, a full house generator, and an elevator. Custom solid wood cabinetry and Italian tile and marble are in all baths, main flooring, decks, and stairwells. The kitchen is appointed with a Wolf range, Sub-Zero refrigerator and wine coolers, as well as appliances by Viking and Miele. The grounds provide 1,400 feet of winding shoreline directly on the Manatee River, where you can enjoy the water from 2 docks. This home is truly one of a kind with many more custom features, each one well thought out, professionally executed, and well worth the consideration.